Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Stringing. The artisan spent hours stringing pearls for an expensive necklace. Stringing. The artisan spent hours stringing pearls for an expensive necklace. Hold somebody back. It was difficult to string the bow, but his lack of strength didn't hold him back. Hold somebody back. It was difficult to string the bow, but his lack of strength didn't hold him back. Better off without something. If fear is going to hold you back, you are better off without those negative thoughts. Better off without something. If fear is going to hold you back, you are better off without those negative thoughts. Undefiled. You are better off without ruining this undefiled landscape with new buildings. Undefiled. You are better off without ruining this undefiled landscape with new buildings. Fornicator. The ancient text describes a hero who was considered a saint by some and a fornicator by others, yet his reputation remained undefiled in his hometown. Fornicator. The ancient text describes a hero who was considered a saint by some and a fornicator by others, yet his reputation remained undefiled in his hometown. Entanglement. The witness was accused of being a fornicator in order to create a legal entanglement during the trial. Entanglement. The witness was accused of being a fornicator in order to create a legal entanglement during the trial. Indecisiveness. An emotional entanglement often leads to long periods of indecisiveness. Indecisiveness. An emotional entanglement often leads to long periods of indecisiveness. Shut something down. The manager had to shut the project down because of the team's constant indecisiveness. Shut something down. The manager had to shut the project down because of the team's constant indecisiveness. Registry marriage. The government decided to shut down the old office where registry marriages used to take place. Registry marriage. The government decided to shut down the old office where registry marriages used to take place. Hold something against someone. Just because they chose a registry marriage, you shouldn't hold it against them. hold something against someone. Just because they chose a registry marriage, you shouldn't hold it against them.